Hello, I'm Dr. Eric Cash, and I want to welcome you to Personal Health Summer 2020. I currently work at Dorman High School, where I am the head strength and conditioning coach. I work in the athletic department. I've been at Dorman for a little over 7 years now. Prior to that, I was a college strength and conditioning coach for 7 years, and I've also taught high school PE and elementary PE. Graduated from USC Upstate with a PE degree. I've been married for 15 years now, and I have two wonderful kids. As I said, the title of this course is Personal Health 2020, and it will last the entire summer. In this course, you're going to have the opportunity to explore topics and issues that will affect your personal health and wellness for your entire life. The exploration of issues affecting health and wellness will provide students with knowledge to make quality personal health decisions. Mental health, personal relationships, health risk behaviors, consumer health, goal setting, and decision making are all topics that the students will use to participate in online projects and assignments. Students, you'll use web-based applications and the most current health-related resources to collaborate with the instructor and your peers in the learning process. There is an online textbook, and I'm going to post a video on how to access that. You'll get that. You'll see that in the course textbook link. As it stands, there are no scheduled class meetings for the course. Rather, students are expected to work at their own pace to meet deadlines posted in the pacing guide. Students should expect to spend 9 hours a week or so working on the course. This is a summer course, so it's going to be accelerated to get through everything in 2 months. I want to make sure that you understand the importance of following the pacing guide. The pacing guide is a map. It's designed to help you succeed and help you submit work on time. You're free to work ahead unless noted otherwise. Due dates are posted on the pacing guide. All work must be submitted by the date that's on the pacing guide. This is to help you and keep you from falling behind in the coursework. Communication will be very important as we go through the summer. If there are any issues at all, make sure you're communicating with me. You can reach me via Skype, Genius Dashboard, or email, and you also have my cell phone number if you need to reach me during office hours. The best way to reach me will be Genius Dashboard. I check that very, very regularly. If you have any questions about anything, please make sure you reach out to me. If your parents have any questions about anything, please make sure you reach out to me. One last note, there is no final exam this summer due to the COVID-19 pandemic and issues with that. Virtual SC decided to not have any final exams, so everything will be based on your coursework, so it's very important that you get your work submitted and do your best work at all time. Make sure you're keeping up with my emails as I send them out. I will send out weekly emails that explain what's coming up in the week. Again, if you have any questions, need anything, don't hesitate to ask or let me know. Look forward to working with you this summer.